This is the second of 4 videos on how to use the Square D edition of the Sense app for iPhone and Android. Let's take a look at the Trends section. Here you can set goals, analyze your energy usage over time, and see a full screen view of the power meter. Let's check out the Goals section. This is a powerful feature that lets you actively manage your energy usage by tracking towards specific goals or budgeted limits. To create a goal, tap on the Goals card and select Add New Goal at the top of the page. This screen might look familiar if you've set custom notifications for your devices. The interface works in the same way. All of the green fields are editable. Goals can be created to track your overall energy usage, your always-on usage, and if applicable, your solar production. You can set goals for various points in time, including by month, week, day, billing cycle, or for any point in time. Down below, Wiser Energy shows your history, which will help you determine where to set your goals. Once a goal is created, Wiser Energy will send push notification alerts and show in-app notifications when you exceed your goal, or if you are trending to do so. Additionally, for duration-based goals and billing cycle notifications, the Trends screen will show you how you are trending towards your goal. If you are trending to go over your goal, you'll see it here and be able to make changes before it's too late. The Usage card provides a breakdown of your energy use over time. Here you can see your past energy use by day, week, month, year, or billing cycle. If you have solar, you can compare your energy usage, shown in green, against your solar production, shown in orange. I like to use this to see which days I use the most energy, and I can tap and hold a bar to see specific stats for that entry. If you scroll down, you can also see which devices used the most energy over the chosen period. For example, I can see that my refrigerator accounted for 4.3% of my overall usage last week. At the bottom of the Trend screen, you can see a more detailed power meter view. This is the same power meter we saw in the Now screen, but provides information down to the second and allows you to view it in full screen and in landscape. Try zooming with your fingers and scrolling for a unique view into your energy use. For an even bigger view, check out the power meter inside the Square D edition of the Sense web app.